Welcome back, Diamonds. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Squad. Please take a moment to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell below so that you will become a part of the Diamond Squad and know as soon as I drop another video. So today for this tutorial, I wanted to do something super summery, something flirty. I was thinking about islands and drinks with umbrellas in it. I was just over the winter season and I wanted to do something sunsetty, something super, super cute. And this is what I came up with, Diamonds. Your girl looking real cute or whatever. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, Diamonds, you know what to do. As usual, I did my brows and primed my lid off camera. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Orange on a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to apply that using dabbing and windshield wiper motions. Using that same Morphe M433 brush, I next grab my Morphe 3502 palette and I combined a Blaze and Heat to deepen my crease. So to blend out the edges, I grabbed a blast from the past, the Call Me Bubbles quad. I went in with that orangey frosty color. It's called Fresh Daily, and I applied that using a fluffy Luxe brush. To cut my crease, I grabbed my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390. I used a Revlon synthetic brush to cut out the crease, and I absolutely love this brush for it. It's flat and stiff enough so I can get really detailed lines. That same brush, I am going to go in with my SUVA Beauty GASTOWN Grind. I absolutely adore this color. I've been itching to actually use it, and I thought it would fit perfect into this look. So I'm just applying that all over my lid. Since my crease did get kind of washed out, I'm gonna go back with a combination of that Heat and a Blaze just to deepen it a little bit more. To highlight, I grabbed Call Me Bubbles from the Call Me Bubbles eyeshadow quad, and I applied that to my brow bone. With my M433 brush, I am going to blend those two shades together just to make sure that they transition seamlessly. I then went back in with that same M433 brush, and I grabbed some more of Heat and a Blaze just to apply on the very outer third of my lid. To blend that out, I did grab my Morphe M456 brush and just blended the edges of that out just to make sure that there are no harsh lines or anything like that. Next is liner. For that, I decided to grab my SUVA Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease, and I am applying that with a bent liner brush. Moving on to the face, I did grab my favorite primer, that is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. For foundation, I did grab the Full Spectrum Matte Ambition in golden, deep golden 2. To highlight my face, I am grabbing my current favorite concealer, which is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390. To set my highlight, I did grab my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. To bronze, I grabbed my favorite, the Estee Edits Barris Bronzer in Medium Deep. To contour, I grabbed my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance in the shade Dark to Deep. For blush, I grabbed my go-to, and that is the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Palette 2 in the shade Yara. Back to the eyes, I'm going to line my waterline with my Urban Decay Lucky. It's kind of like a coppery orange. And then I'm going to follow that using a smudger brush. I'm going to apply Max Orange just under my waterline and buff that out, followed by a Blaze. For the lips, I grab my Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in Soil. I decided I definitely needed a liner with this, so I grabbed my MAC's Chestnut just to define my lips. To help my inner corner highlights stay all day, I am going to grab my NYX glitter glue and apply that directly to my tear ducts. For the inner corner highlight, I decided to go with a super pigmented blue. It's from a ColourPop palette. I don't remember where it's at, so I can't even look up the name of it, but if I do, I will put it in the description box. And diamonds, this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed the video today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Let me know if you are feeling the short tresses. Let me know in the comments below. Diamonds, as always, until next time.